Texas Values Friends, Jonathan Sines here, president and attorney from Texas Values. I'm standing right in front of the Supreme Court. We're actually across the street because it's pretty loud. It's kind of a circus environment. We're here for a case to protect kids from gender transition procedures, puberty blockers, and to protect state law from Tennessee and make sure it doesn't impact Texas. And we've got our good friend here, Chloe Cole. You know her as a detransitioner, just a brave young woman. Tell us, Chloe, why you're here this morning.
I'm here to talk about how important this case is, because it's regarding Tennessee's ban on these experimental mutilated permanent procedures for children and whether that will be upheld as constitutional. I'm very confident that this case is going to go through on our side, and it's going to be a massive win for the rights of children in our country.
Well, and look, it's a case from Tennessee, but anytime a case is before the U.S. Supreme Court, it can impact the entire country. What has the response been when you get to tell your story? I know it's been over a year or so now. More people know about you, and I bet you it's having an impact.
Oh, man, I've been talking for about 3 years now, since I was 17, and from the very beginning, I mean, at least from transgender activists and a lot of people on the left, it's been incredibly aggressive. I knew that going into it, it was going to garner that kind of attention, but what I was shocked about is that I've received so much more love than I ever have any hatred by people all across the spectrum, regardless of ideology, regardless of where they are on the political spectrum. So many people know that this is an issue that it's beyond politics. This is regarding our children, regarding our future generations, our families, our institutions, reality.
Yeah. Well, and don't take this the wrong way, okay? I have a daughter who's almost 15. I really love how you continue to settle in and really show your feminine side, your woman side. You know, you're a young lady, right? I mean, your fashion and all that kind of stuff, and just sort of embracing that. No, and being a great example. There are a lot of young ladies out there that, you know, in their teenage years and so on, they're sort of trying to figure out who they are or whatever, or just be comfortable. You're doing such a great job of that, so I know you're inspiration. I know you got a big interview with Fox coming up, so we're glad you could be here. We hope you have a great interview, and thankful that you're here for your witness today.
It's amazing to be here. Thank you so much for having me here.
All right, Chloe Cole, she's got to go. And she has a tremendous story. I'm going to talk a little bit more about it later, and we're going to be here all morning here at the U.S. Supreme Court.